how to sort in Google Sheets. If you want to sort items in Google Sheets, it's actually quite very simple to do so. If you want to sort them depending upon the alphabetical ascending or descending format, so whenever you're in a certain column right here, you have to select the whole column itself. So not just the row, but the whole row and the whole column right here. So you can see the alphabet at the top, right? So once you select that, you want to right click on that particular row, and here you can say sort. So you can sort from sheet A to Z or from Z to A depending upon whichever one it is that you want to prefer right here. So if you want to sort from A to Z, you can select that or right click on it and select sort Z to A, then that's also perfectly fine, just depending upon your own wish. And this way you'll be able to sort items on Google Sheets. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial. And as always, see you soon in our next video.